Assalamualaikum. This is Miss Zani Ghazal from class 8 and today our project name is frame. The material required in this project are computer sheets, scissor, hot glue, cardboard and clay. Let's start our project. First of all, we are drawing the sketch of the tree like this. And now we are going to make some flowers. First of all, the step of the flowers are, first of all we have to make a square, then triangle and then fold it. We have made the shape of the flower and then we have to open it like this. And then we have to cut a petal of the flower and stick it with UHU like this. And now we have a thermocol ball and paste it in the center of the flower. We have a flower. We have to make two main flowers like this. And now we are going to make the base. We have a cardboard and we are going to stick white paper on it. Meanwhile, we are going to make grass. And then we have to cut like this. Now we are going to cut some of the paper. And now we are going to stick white paper on the cardboard. And meanwhile, Fiza will cut this grass. Fiza, glue gun. So we have to apply glue gun at the borders of the cardboard like this. And now we are going to stick the white paper on it. Like this. And now we are going to cut the edges. Meanwhile, Faisal is cutting the tree. I'm going to help the designer for making the flowers. We are making the frame, so we have to make borders. So the method of borders is like we have to roll the paper. A tree base has been cut. And we have to stick it on paper. So we will make some borders. One border has been done. We have to apply like this on the paper. And grass has also been done. So we are going to stick the center of the grass with UHU. Now we have to stick this grass on the paper. paste the tree base on the paper. Our borders had been ready, so we are going to paste the borders. We have one border. Our border has been short, so we are going to take some extra piece of paper. Now we need a hot glue gun. And now we are going to stick the border. Our under border has been done. And now we are going to stick the border at side. Now we are going to stick the border. And now we are going to paste the border and up. Now we are going to paste the border. And going to paste it. And now I'm going to cut the edges. Like this. It gives the neat look to the border. Now we are going to paste our last border. Our border has been done, and now we are going to paste the tree. This was like this, and now we are going to paste the tree.